Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, on this channel I teach Igbo language. If you want to learn Igbo language, this is channel for you, because here I upload video every blessed day. Is it easy? Hell no. Okay, let's begin. Phrases in Igbo language, and we have anom na ulo oru. Anom na ulo oru. Anom na ulo oru. I'm at work. Okay, I'll be looking into my book from time to time. That is because I made some note of it already. Kedu ihe ị na-eme? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Kedu ihe ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ka m mee? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ka m mee? What do you want me to do? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ka m mee? What do you wish I do? What do you want me to do? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ka m mee? And we have here again. Kedu ihe iche na m na-eme? Kedu ihe iche na m na-eme? Kedu ihe iche na m na-eme? What do you think I'm doing? Okay? What do you think I'm doing? Okay? Mechitetu ọnụ gị. Mechitetu ọnụ gị. You talk too much. Mechitetu ọnụ gị. Keep quiet. Mechitetu ọnụ gị. Mechitetu ọnụ gị. Talk too much. Okay? Just shut your mouth. Okay? Ị na-ekwuka. You always talk in parrot, talkative. Ị na-ekwuka. You talk too much. Ị na-ekwuka. You talk too much. And we have here also Idira atu okumbo. Idira atu okumbo. Idira atu okumbo. Like, you don't weigh what you want to say before you say it. People are going through a lot, okay? You just don't open your mouth and say something. Please, just weigh what you want to say. Size it. If you can carry it, doesn't mean another person can carry it. If you know what you want to say, better don't say it at all. Don't say it at all, okay? Don't say it at all, okay? People that do like this has more of enemies, because people don't care to know that this is your character. What they know is you don't care, okay? And it can be very dangerous. Idiro atu oku aka, okay? And the next one here is ebe ka ino. Ebe ka ino. Ebe ka ino. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay? Anom nso. This is reply for the other one. Anom nso. I'm close. Anom nso. Amam uzo. Amam uzo. Amam uzo. I know the way. Amam uzo. Gosim uzo. Gosim uzo. You're coming here for the first time. You don't know the road. You want someone to help you, to direct you, to show you the particular route to use to route to where you are going to. So you're like, Gosim uzo. Show me the road. Gosim uzo. And another one is kedu ihe na ekwu. Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu. Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu. Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu. Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu. What are you saying? We use it often as well. Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu. Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu. Kedu ihe ị na-ekwu. What are you saying? I'll have another one. Aghọtaghị m ihe ị na-ekwu. Aghọtaghị m ihe ị na-ekwu. Aghọtaghị m ihe ị na-ekwu. I don't understand what you were saying. Aghọtaghị m ihe ị na-ekwu. I don't understand what you are saying. Kwụsị ime oke mkpọtụ. Stop making lots of noise. You're just a noise maker. You make hell of a noise. Kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. Stop making noise. I'm tired. I don't want to hear you anymore. Kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. Stop making noise, okay? Kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. Kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. Kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. I'm having another one here. Ị na-egbu oge. Ị na-egbu oge. Ị na-egbu oge. ina Igbo oge. Thank you guys for watching, and if you've not subscribed yet, please remember to do so. Give this video a like, because when you do that, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people, and I'll also be happy about it. Okay, on this channel, like I said, I post video every blessed day, and if you want to learn Igbo, if you have desire to learn Igbo, this is typically channel for you. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.